Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to use the mid function in Microsoft Excel. To get started, let's get familiarized with the mid function syntax. As you can see on the screen, mid function has three terms. One for text, one for start num, and one for numchars. To explain further, let's use an example to further explain the terms. Let's start by typing the mid function. The first term is text. Text refers to the string that we are going to get our substring from by using the mid function. For this example, we are going to use Tech Tips for Business as our string. Next is start num. This will determine where Excel would start counting the numbers from, or letters. So once we set a start position of 1, it should go towards the first letter of the string. And for the last term is number of characters. This refers to how many characters Excel would take from the main string, starting from the start position. For this example, we're gonna use 1. Go ahead and place a close parentheses and press enter. As you can see, since we have a start position of 1 and number of characters of 1, we got the capital T. This is because Excel took the first letter of our string, which is T. Let's go ahead and try it for the other cells by dragging the lower right corner of the first cell that we just put our formula into. And there we go. For the second example, we took 4 letters from the start position of 1. That is why we got the value of tech. For the third example, we used a start position of 5, which indicated that we are going to start from the second capital letter T in the string that we chose. After that, we chose 4 letters, which gave us the result for tips. And for the fourth example, we got 9 as a start position and 3 characters, which gives us a value of 4. And lastly, we started on the 12th position of the string and we took out 8 letters, which gave us business. And that is how we use the mid function in Microsoft Excel.